Welcome back, mathematicians. Today, solve using a numerical method and proof drawing. Many of the students knew how to use the numerical method, which is either new groups above or new groups below. For example, with 346 plus 257. This is the numerical method. We just use numbers. Numerical method. We just use numbers to solve an addition problem. 6 plus 7 is 13. I'm using the new groups above because I just put my one above here. And then 4 plus 5 is 9, plus that extra 10 there is 10. Putting the new group above as well. And then 3 plus 2 is 5, not forgetting this extra 1 up here, 6. So right there I've used the new groups above method to solve an addition problem. This is the numerical method. I use numbers. Now this proof drawing, the second piece of this, we draw a picture using our symbols for each number, and then we add them together to prove that this answer, 603, is correct. So let me show you. The first number is 346. So I draw 3 hundreds boxes. Again, this is the proof drawing here. 3 hundreds boxes. I draw 4 tens, and then I draw 6 ones. So this is the first number. Now what I want to do is add to that the second number, 257. So if I draw 2 more hundreds, I draw 5 more 10 sticks, and I draw 7 more ones. Now this upcoming step is the hardest part about a proof drawing. Now we have to group the numbers together. We can, in our number, we can, in the ones place, we can only have up to 9. So if we count what we have here, we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, that's too many. 13 doesn't fit in one place value. We can't have 13 ones because we have a 10 and 3 ones. So we need to take 10 of them and make them into a stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to take these 10 and we're going to regroup them as a stick. So what we're left with, what we have left over here, is 3 ones. You can see that we're off to a good start here because over here we have 3 ones as well. So now we move on. Now we count the tens. As I count my tens here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 tens. Well, 10 tens equals 100, which means that we have 100 rather than 10 tens. So we're going to take these 10 tens, switch back over to green, and those 10 tens, instead of staying 10 tens, are going to become another hundreds box. So as you can see in our problem here, we don't have any leftover tens. All of these tens that were here before became regrouped. They became 100s box, which is represented down here in red and green. So again, it looks like we're lining up with our numerical problem. We don't have any leftover tens. If we look at our numerical problem, we don't have any leftover tens. So now we just have to count the hundreds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. 6 hundreds makes sense because we don't have enough hundreds to have 1,000 yet. We don't have 10 hundreds. So these 6 hundreds again line up with our numerical problem, 603. Hopefully this helps with regrouping using numerical method and also a proof drawing to prove it. Tomorrow we're going to talk a little bit more about this, but I thought if anyone was struggling with the homework, I would share an example.